past continuous or past progressive. This tense describes an action that happened, starts in the past time, and it goes all through the past, turns to the present, but it never get into the present. So as you can see this picture right here, okay? We're gonna analyze the affirmative form, which is gonna start with the person or subject, plus the verb to be, which in this case is gonna be was or were, just was or were, okay? Solamente was or were, plus the present participle, this is the main verb, an infinitive without the to plus the ing. Okay, you have to remember the rules about adding ing, okay? Plus complement. And how are we going to form the present participle? Right here. ¿Cómo se va a formar el presente participio? De esta forma, recuerden. Verbo en infinitivo sin el auxiliar to más el ing. En la mayoría de los casos hay algunas excepciones, ¿ok? Recuerden las reglas. Example, we have watch, mirar, plus ing. We have watching, mirando. Alright, so we're gonna see this example. It says, you were watching TV. You were watching TV. Tú estabas mirando la televisión. Because remember, we were talking about the past continuous, okay? You were watching TV. Then we're gonna talk about the negative form. We're gonna start with person plus the verb to be, which is gonna be was or were, plus the word not that we are using to negate a sentence statement, plus the present participle, plus complement. Okay, and we're gonna see an example here. It says, I was not watching TV. I was not watching TV. Yo no estaba mirando la televisión. Okay. Alright, then we're gonna talk about the interrogative form. We're gonna start with the verb to be, was or were, plus the person, plus the present participle, which is the main verb, plus the ing, plus complement, and don't you forget the question mark, okay? And this is an example. Was she watching TV? Was she watching TV? You know. Okay, was she watching TV? ¿Estaba ella mirando la televisión? Alright. Now let's see. Try to do these exercises, okay? John something, a book. Remember, this is the past progressive, okay? Past progressive or past continuous. Alright, pretty good. John was reading a book. What? Last night. That's a question form, okay? Interrogative form. Alright, pretty good. What were you doing last night? What were you doing last night? Now the next one, Jack and Peter late yesterday. Okay, so the main verb is going to be work. Alright, pretty good. Jack and Peter were working late yesterday. Now the next one says Sylvia something to music, and the main verb is going to be listened, but we have to use the negative form. Okay, so how it's going to be? Sylvia was not listening to music. Alright, pretty good. Now the next one, Maria something next to Paul. Okay, and the main verb is sit, sentar. Alright, pretty good. Now Maria was sitting next to Paul. The last one says, how many other students something with last weekend? Alright, you have to use the main verb, which is going to be study, and the second person you. Alright, pretty good. Were you studying? How many other students were you studying with last weekend? Alright, and this is it, my friends, okay? Keep in touch.